How to turn off location on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. Then navigate to Snapchat. Once you're here, from the privacy section, click on permissions, and then from the allowed section, click on location. You will be redirected to this page right here, from which you will be able to turn off the location by selecting the last option to disable the location access for the Snapchat app. And once you do that, you will see that the location feature has been turned off and the permission for the Snapchat app to access your location is no longer allowed, which is what you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the location access for the Snapchat app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.